Find or read reviews that people are talking of Volway 4K mirror dashcam 12-inch with GPS Wi-Fi. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose Volway 4K mirror dashcam 12-inch with GPS Wi-Fi. Below are some reasons why you should choose. The 4K mirror dashcam will synchronously display rear-view viewing while driving and present a clear and crisp video quality with high-resolution day or night. Capture incident video, number plates, and finer details with stunning results. Equipped with an advanced image sensor, the Volway rear-view mirror camera constantly monitors road conditions and weather, enhancing color and brightness when it's dim. Captures sharp videos with important details for you. GPS show when and where events occur with accurate speed data for your dashcam. Check your driving route and speed by replaying the saved videos on the GX player provided. GPS antenna is included in the package. Featuring a wide 170-degree field of front view and 160-degree field of rear view, the dash camera offers less blind spots while driving or reversing. The front and rear camera will record everything happening in front and rear. Drive at ease. Keep your hands on wheel and voice to control the camera with commands, turn on, off, screen/lock the video/show both cameras/take photo/video start, stop. Available in English, German, French, Spanish, Italian and Swedish. With built-in G sensor, the camera automatically detects collision and captures incident video and details, saves to your memory card, and lock the video. Use the RoadCam app to view and manage dashcam recordings instantly on your iOS or Android devices. You can download your recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone and share those on social media with friends and families. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.